Careful, bro.
Yeah. Copy this side. Okay.
All Ugrastabha candidates, please, save your energy. Like how you save your money in the bank to utilize later.
They'll carry.
Where is she? Very good. Like to have some more? No, okay.
Hare Krishna, you chant.
You can sit. No, I want to.
People who chant Hare Krishna and didn't get prasadam.
Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschadade Satarine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvish Prabhu, Gunabhadra Prabhu, see that?
తీస్తా గ్లాస్ అమ్మాయి చెప్తే ఏం ఒక్కటి తీలే వస్తాను
తీస్తా ఉంటారు కదా చూడండి
Ugrastabha also, we will finish by 1 hour.
Up and down.
Maximum 1.5 hours.
Up and down.
1.5 hours.
You know what happens, Prabhu? Fast you'll go. That the place, this Darshan and this boy, they'll be standing there only. They'll be enjoying so much. They'll not feel like coming.
Stand there. You will also stand.
You will also stand.
Everyone will
Yeah,
stand.
3 hours you take. Just check the time.
Where you will stand?
Many people are coming.
What is the batch, Prabhu? That's what in the batch.
Coming.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare.
Please come and have quick explanation.
Is wrong.
4 is wrong.
8.
8.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me know where are the 8. Please tell me where are the 8.
2 is telling.
2 in the stomach and 2 in the intestine.
Shankh Chakra.
ஐய், எது கருடன்? அதோ, okay. அது பிரகலாதன். குட்டியா இருக்கு.
This is the self-manifested. This side you have the pillar breaking session. This side is Hiranyakashipu.
பிரகலாதன்.
Prahlad is showing. Inga irukran. See this. This is Prahlad. This is Hiranyakashipu. Lord is appearing from the pillar. This is Jwala Narasimha, self-manifested deity. This is
Fight between
it is called Veera. Fighting session. See, the Lord is born in Ugrastambam, okay? Actually, he is killing this place. Actual place. And he is washing the hands down. This is, see, if you observe one more small miracle, but what we have observed is, on Narasimha, every time some water will always be there to make him chill, you know? But Hiranyakashipu will always be dry. Sometimes, you know, he will also be wet.
சமாதானம்.
ரெண்டு கால் வந்து ரெண்டு நார் வந்து
Get front, go closer.
இதயத்தை அப்படியே தொட்டுக்க மாதிரி மேல மாட்டிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி சங்கு சக்கரம் ரெண்டு கால் ரெண்டு
ಪ್ರಭು ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಭು.
ಪ್ರಭು, see, this is Jwala Narasimha. Okay. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಗರುಡ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎರಡು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡು
ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕರಳ್ನ ಹಾರ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಿರೋದು 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬಗಿತಿರೋದು 2, ಸಂಘಚಕ್ರ ಹಸ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪು ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ, ತಲೆ ಹತ್ರ.
ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಗರುಡಾಳ್ ಮಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ್ ಮಹಾರಾಜು.
ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Here she is about to come from pillar. Here in this, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, he is Sthanu Narasimha. He is called as Sthanu Narasimha. Mayapur. Sthanu Narasimha is like this only. He is coming out of the pillar. Here Prahlad Maharaj is showing to his father. Hiranyakashipu is sitting here. Prahlad Maharaj is showing to his father, in this pillar Lord might appear. So he is coming out of the pillar. He is in search of Hiranyakashipu. So he is called as Sthanu Narasimha. So here he has appeared. Okay, he is killing Hiranyakashipu here. Prahlad Maharaj is there down. Okay. Here he is known as Veera Narasimha. He is fighting. It is in general we know that Narasimha comes out of the pillar, he kills Hiranyakashipu and goes. No. There was a fight between Hiranyakashipu and Narasimha. He had some lakhs of soldiers to fight with Narasimha. Just in one glance of his nails, all Rakshasas used to turn into ashes. So like that, this is that the pastime. Veera Narasimha is fighting with Hiranyakashipu here. And see, here it is very, very ferocious form. It is by nature's, Mother Ganges is so blessed always. See, always water is dripping on him to make him cool. So here, is Mother Ganges, Bhavanashini is so blessed to touch Narasimha always here, keeping Narasimha cool. None other deity is like this. Only here you see, to make him cool, Mother Ganges is always there dripping on him. Here is Shukracharya, Daitya Guru. Here is Mahavishnu. In this corner, he is Mahavishnu. So this is a place where actual Hiranyasamhara happened. And then he went down and washed his hands. Behind his Ugrastamba, he came out of the pit, and 4 Shukracharya, and